Now you can use a powerful AI solution direct from within Leap. No more having to export things and upload them to an external system and then bring them back in. Our Microsoft Word add-in will allow you to open Microsoft Word directly from within Leap and then use our powerful AI on your documents. If you're a lawyer who would like to work more efficiently right from within Microsoft Word, our AI legal assistant is now available directly from within there. So once you've logged in, you'll see our AI Compass. AI Compass is your project manager. We can ask it to do multiple things and it will manage other AI to do the work. We can either type or dictate. I'm representing the seller. I want you to extract all of the obligations and warranties and flag anything that could be of risk. Then, I want you to draft a letter of advice based on your findings. Last, I want you to draft a cover email to the client letting them know that the advice is attached and I await their instructions. Stop and send. Now the AI will go off and create multiple tasks for the other AI to do the work. I can adjust this side panel as I wish. You can see the AI has come back with the tasks. We can expand on those and we can read the full detailed instructions that this AI Compass has written for the other AI to complete the work. If I wanted to execute on all of those, I can simply click there and it will send the tasks to the other AI, which you can see is now working on it. If I wanted to open my project manager again, I simply click on that button. Now, the exciting thing is here. If I would do these 3 steps on a regular basis, I can turn this into an automation. So I simply click on Create One-Click Automation. I can create a category if I don't already have one. I can share it with any other team members if I want to, or I can simply click on Create. I click on Create and now it's created my one-click automation. So we'll come back to our one-click automation in a moment. For now, let's see how the AI is working. You can see that this has gone green because it is complete. Blue, it's working on it, and yellow, it's in the queue. So if we close this, you'll see that we've already got our seller warranties and obligations back with pinpoint citations directly to the section in the document. If I wanted to create a document from this, all I simply do is click Create Document from Message. That will now open up the web application version, and it will create a new document where you can export that straight back to Microsoft Word or PDF. Discuss has come back now with our letter of advice. Got an executive summary, critical risk summary. This is not to replace what you do, this is to give you a great starting point to work from in a matter of minutes. If we wanted to create a document again for the letter of advice, we could simply click on Create Document. And last, you'll see that it's written an email to the client with a brief overview letting them know that we've attached the advice. We can simply click on Copy Text, paste it in our email, attach the advice that we've polished, and away we go. Remember that one-click automation that we created before? If we wanted to run that on a different document, all we simply do is open up the other document, then type hash. And then we can select that and it will run the one-click automation. It'll go and analyze the share purchase agreement for the obligations and warranties. It will then draft the letter of advice and it will draft an email with one click of a button. While this is running, we can review a document. There's a whole range of different things that we review for here. Because this is an initial review, I'm going to do risk analysis and points to negotiate. I'll put in here that I'm representing the seller and I'll click Analyze. You can see that the review function has come back with the points that it's found. We've got points to negotiate. We click on this tile, it takes us to that exact section. If I have track changes on. If I agree, then I simply click on Write It and it will write the new clause into the document for me. I can simply click on the next one, takes me to the next section, drafts that clause straight into the document. If I wanted to comment on the document, I can simply click on Add Comment and it will apply the comment to the document. While this is running, we could do some research on case law. You simply click on the plus button here. Please go and find me case law research, where discretionary trust has been in violation of the Corporations Act when purchasing a business. And so you can see that we've got our research back now, grounded with an Australian and New Zealand case law and legislation. It will also bring back citations directly to the case law and legislation so that you can verify what the AI has told you. And that concludes our quick tour of the Microsoft Word AI Legal Assistant.
I had to cross-reference like 3 really lengthy interrelated documents for consistency. And that would have taken me hours. And to be honest, probably like sleepless nights as well. And then going back into it the next day, exhausted. And even then, like subtle variations or terminology differences, those can be easily missed, especially when you're a bit tired and on your 60th page. And that's when I realized how much the AI could really support accuracy and save an incredible amount of time.
With AI and the speed at which you can now do the administrative type things and the drafting, that frees me up to do other things. And we're starting to spread that concept through our firm. That's probably taking, a quarter of the time.
We have that much more flexibility now because of our ability to essentially turn up our productivity as we need it.